I guess if you can't tell, I'm a real sentimental kind of guy. This next song is something I wrote back 1985. How many years ago is it?
30,
Was that like 32?
32.
33 years ago?
You're not supposed to.
My sister-in-law was getting married and she asked me to sing a song at her wedding. And I asked her what song she wanted me to sing. And she left it up to me, which for a while was a bad move because a few months went by. Up to the day before the wedding, I had not chosen a song yet. So he left it totally up to me, so I'm like, okay, I just gotta try to pull a rabbit out of a hat. So the night before the wedding, she flew in from, a couple days before the wedding, she flew in from Oregon. And the night before the wedding, I was like sitting there, and sometimes I work not too bad under pressure. Broke out a pen and paper, and started pedaling these chords and these words, and just kind of rolled off my tongue. The song says, Aloha Kaua, we share love that there be love between us. Song called Aloha Kaua, little wedding song. Here we are today, the promises to be made, in the presence of the Almighty. Start the planting of the growth of our new love. This is the time when we begin. Promise to love and cherish each other. Sickness and in heaven, let there be joy. Soft winds lead to peace, contention will cease. Aloha, sometimes a sacrifice, without thinking twice, turn away the crowd, be together. Laughter there's nowhere like being the best of friends. Let the happy times be forever. So promise to love and cherish each other. Sickness and in health, let there be joy. Soft winds lead to peace, contention will cease. Aloha, here we are today, the promises to be made, in the presence of the Almighty. Start the planting of the growth of our new love. This is the time for new beginning. Promise to love and cherish each other. Sickness and in health, let there be joy. Soft words lead to peace, contention will cease. Aloha, may there be love between you and me. Wedding song called Aloha Kaua. Once in a while, I'll forget the words to a song I wrote. And I ask someone else who didn't write the song what they think the words are.